kumka wei na gibanta jong kajing pankre ya ke election MP kaseng sain perthai Voice of the People's Party hene kasengi kata ha ka arpoi tarik ujleu arjar arpulai kelapan bena ya ka kerteng jong Dr. Ricky AJ Sengkon benlong ukertong na kaseng bani khun ya ke election MP ya kene kajing penpanapai ba halor kajing pentikna bau Dr. Ricky AJ Sengkon unong ukertong ikhun election MP na kaseng VPP lapan bena dau Dr. Karachen ubadeu General Secretary kaseng VPP sikilat pathai kubor bat ulong bag parti VPP kan ikhun marwei bat kanomi trilang bat kiwe-kiwe parti u Dr. Kara ulai turu bagane kajing penpana kaloi ya kerteng jong Dr. Ricky AJ Sengkon kade na banta ban penkre ya shibun ba kajing don kam ban ikhun ya ka MP election kaban Salong House nemo panwan kabalong kum kajing let cek lenggi jaka jong gerilum kasi ban pensyai lor ki nongrim jong parti badru ban pan ya kajing kersan Shushu ulai turu bag parti kalayo pediang ya arngut ki kerteng ban ikhun ha ka MP election Henry Nagliang jong parti kala ibit yau Dr. Ricky AJ Sengkon ban ikhun hak MP election arjar arpsau dag ba pensyon nong rimru banamar u Dr. Ricky AJ Sengkon udai ru wei na ki balon benta ban seng ya ka parti Voice of the People's Party
di ka pedi bagani ka parti jongi ka State Election Committee kala ikendu ka khat trik jong ulu benai bat hadin ka bangi la ya perkhat sani ba belin me ya kren shibun tingila ka kelami kawai karai ba ngin nominate ya i Dr. Ricky RJ Sengkon Ricky AJ Sengkon banlong u candidate jong ka Voice of the People Party namenta ka parliamentary election ka banlong 2024 kata kadai ka purpose jungi benta ban permana ka jing tu jungi kalong ba gila ban ya chakmat ya ka jing terkam jong parti ken namar langi penbena lupa yu kandidat tekasuk bangin ya chakmat nang ni ken kebenengkong u ba Sengkon udai u no founder member jong ka VPP udai ru general secretary jong ka parti te ko jong kapor udai beriu ba abiang ke nang jistar udai nahikai ka school ba hanehu te kum ka parti you know he is the right person ken langim jit yo founder member jong ka parti te yanu ngin jit yin happen jit yo try jong ka party bolong founder member about general secretary jong ka party ru em kila don ki application mentan just now I told you bangkai don ki application ki don ki bala ki ba you can do ya president ru individually come to personally you see winnable factor is a very difficult to say whether a particular candidate will win okay what we feel is that once he contests from the party okay then he will win. That is what we feel. If he contests from the party, then there's every chance that he will win the election. That is what we feel. It does not depend because it's not only depend on the candidate. The party also plays an important role. Everybody berta ni nakaliang jongi ni kemio ay namar kitu kibala mut kila you can do president, but kidon ru na pedeng jongki kibala ay diki jingtho di application mau bikin kuat ban contest ni ka MP election. Em ko mong mentan dai ka jing tmu ni ko ngila lang yo banyak chakmat kan dai bangin pentip lupa ka khamsuk ingi bangin ya lenti nei bangin election